Hey there, bread lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting your journey into the world of homemade bread, you're in for a treat today. There's nothing quite like the smell of freshly baked bread filling your home. And guess what? You don't need to be a master baker to make it happen. With the right bread machine, you can whip up artisan quality loaves with just the push of a button. With Zigeology, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best bread maker machines. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B programmable bread maker machine. This machine does it all, kneading, rising, and baking, so you can enjoy foolproof, fresh bread with zero effort. Whether you're craving a 1 pound, 1/2, or 2 pound loaf, this bread maker has you covered. With 19 programmed settings, you can bake everything from basic white bread to pizza dough, gluten-free options, and even desserts. It's like having a bakery at your fingertips. Plus, the 15-hour delay timer lets you wake up to warm bread or come home to a fresh loaf. And with a 60-minute keep warm function, your bread stays perfect until you're ready to eat. Say goodbye to oven heat and extra cleanup. The Elite Gourmet bread maker saves energy, keeps your kitchen cool, and reduces dishwashing. Backed by 40 years of trusted quality, Elite Gourmet delivers affordable, user-friendly kitchen solutions. Ready to bake smarter? The Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B is the clear choice for fresh homemade bread every time. Coming in at number 4 is KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine. With 17 customizable programs, this isn't just a bread maker, it's a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse. Bake French bread, whole wheat, gluten-free loaves, or even make yogurt, jam, and cake. Plus, its quick bake feature delivers a fresh loaf in under 5 hours. The exclusive ceramic pan ensures even baking without harmful chemicals, while the 710-watt motor kneads dough quietly under 40 dB so it won't disturb your sleep. It's durable, efficient, and built to last. Love add-ins? The intelligent fruit and nut dispenser adds them at the perfect time, and with a 15-hour delay timer and 1-hour keep warm function, you can wake up to fresh bread or enjoy it anytime. Designed for convenience, the intuitive touch panel lets you customize crust, loaf size, and programs. The 360-degree baking technology ensures fluffier bread with a perfect crust every time. Backed by ETL certification and a 2-year warranty, the KBS Pro is a reliable professional choice for healthier, tastier homemade bread. Ready to upgrade your baking game? The KBS Pro is the clear winner. At number 3, we have Naretva 20-in-1 Bread Maker. Imagine baking fresh, artisan bread with just the touch of a button. The Naretva 20-in-1 bread maker makes it possible and so much more. With 20 automatic programs, this bread maker is a true multitasker. Bake everything from French bread and gluten-free loaves to pizza dough, yogurt, and even homemade jam. Plus, choose from 3 crust colors for the perfect finish every time. Its 360-degree dual heaters, the Naretva ensures even baking for fluffy, delicious bread. The 550-watt high-power motor speeds up baking, saving you over an hour. And the nonstick ceramic pan, it's 100% chemical-free, making your bread healthier and clean up a breeze. Plan ahead with the 15-hour delay timer and enjoy fresh bread anytime. The 1-hour keep warm function ensures your loaf stays perfect, while the motor operates at less than 40 dB so quiet it won't disturb your sleep. Backed by sustainable practices and 24/7 customer support, the Naretva 20-in-1 bread maker is the ultimate choice for healthier homemade bread. Ready to bake smarter? Naretva has you covered. Taking the number 2 spot is the Cuisinart Convection Bread Maker machine. The Cuisinart Convection Bread Maker delivers with style, precision, and versatility. With 16 menu programs, this bread maker is a baker's dream. From classic white bread to gluten-free loaves, pizza dough, and even desserts, it handles it all. Plus, choose from 3 crust colors, light, medium, or dark for the perfect finish every time. Love add-ins? The automatic fruit and nut dispenser adds them at just the right moment, ensuring even distribution and delicious flavor in every bite. The powerful convection fan circulates air for superior crust, color, and texture, just like a professional bakery. And with custom timing, you can tweak programs to suit your recipes, giving you full control over the baking process. Whether you're baking for one or a crowd, this machine offers 3 loaf sizes up to 2 pounds, so you always have the perfect amount of fresh bread. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Cuisinart Convection Bread Maker is the ultimate choice for home bakers. Ready to elevate your bread game? Cuisinart makes it easy. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Zojirushi BB PDC 20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. Want to bake healthier, artisan-quality bread at home? The Zojirushi BB PDC 20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus is here to revolutionize your baking game. With specialized settings like multigrain, whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan, this bread maker caters to every dietary need. Plus, its double kneading blades ensure perfectly kneaded dough every time. Dual heaters on the bottom and lid promote even baking and browning, while rapid courses let you bake a loaf of white or whole wheat bread in just 2 hours and 25 minutes. Perfect for busy bakers. With a 700-watt motor and a 39-inch cord, this bread maker combines power and convenience. Its thoughtful design ensures every loaf is a masterpiece. Whether you're baking for health or taste, the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus is the ultimate choice. Ready to bake smarter and healthier? Zojirushi has you covered. And there you have it, the top 5 best bread machine. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.